Today we're getting organized with our cool new adjustable phone mount. It comes with 3 adhesive wall mounts, as well as your phone mount. The back of the phone mount has grooves that fit the adhesive wall mount perfectly. The curled front fits phones of all different sizes. It was even able to hold my tablet with ease. The back of the phone mount is also adjustable. It can tilt as well as turn side to side. This makes it great for any setup. There's also a slot in the middle of the front. You can use this to charge your device while it's in the mount. Pretty cool, huh? I normally keep my phone on my desk, and when I work, I wear headphones. I often miss calls and messages because of this. Now I'm able to keep my phone in eyesight and see it in the corner of my eye while I'm working. Now if I get a call, I see it right away, and more importantly, I've got more room on my desk now. Now I have a place for my phone, and I'm one step closer to having a clean and presentable desk. Since the pack comes with 3 adhesive backs, I was able to put one in the bedroom, as well as next to the couch in our living room. I can easily swap out the phone mount and have a phone station in whatever room I'm in. You can use this to watch your favorite YouTube videos, or mount it in the kitchen and view recipes. You can use it to help organize your desk, or just have a dedicated phone spot so you won't lose it as much. The pan and tilt features are really useful, and the adhesive backing is actually pretty strong. I was surprised it held my tablet, but it did, and honestly, it could support some more weight. So if you're looking for a place to put your phone, then this phone mount might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go make sure my cats don't destroy my tablet. See ya!